right, so I'm dirty. So we painted 2 today, but I was able to get on this this afternoon real fast. Spent the last hour on this, knock it out, so I don't have to work tonight. That is a freaking win, y'all. I get tonight off. Let me flip the camera around and show you what I did real fast, because I literally just dived right in and wanted to make this last hour count. So I got my collectors, or my V-bands, welded on my pipes last night before I left. You know, I got all this done. Still welding on flux, because again, I just want to get this done. I want to get this done. I might switch to gas to do these, maybe, not 100% sure. How I'm thinking I'm going to do these right now, my thoughts, of course, we'll put them like that. But I was kind of thinking about putting a small teardrop on this side, but I don't know. I need to hold them up there and see. The door obviously has to be able to swing open where they come out at. I'll have to show you where they come out at. But I went in here and was able to weld in that that bar that we were talking about. So there is a rectangle, if you can see it right there. There's a rectangle box hammered in there. It's the perfect size, and it is back welded all the way like that. So it completely strengthens that back up 100% up there. So both sides fit perfect. I mean, this, you just couldn't ask for no better. When this comes out right here and curves, it literally just does clear that. It's like the same height as this right here. So it sets it so that it goes perfect. So, I mean, this finally, for once, something went my way and worked in my favor. So what I gotta do now, I gotta bolt them back up, which I'm not gonna do this afternoon. I'll probably bolt them up real fast this afternoon. And then tomorrow I got to do exhaust hangers somehow, because this is just a lot of heavy pipe hanging off. So I need to go ahead and do exhaust hanger while it's on the lift, and then it's got to come down to do the mini bull horns, or if I'm gonna do teardrops or whatever I'm gonna do, it's got to come down so that I can see the way they rotate and all that stuff. But yeah, we're making progress. I'm stoked. I'm stoked to not have these things dumping under the car no more. All right, so I got out here and just busted this out this afternoon. Y'all, I'm guilty. I did not even film. You can see we got these ends done. I don't know if I like them 100%. We'll check them out, see what they look like on the ground. That's what they look like up here. I'm not sure. It's kind of like a teardrop, but it's like it has to be mini, because it obviously has to clear the door so you don't have as much room as normal. Spencer come out tonight and actually helped me out too, or gave me some company, I guess. But yeah, I went to weld this on gas, and of course I do not have the .30 tips that I need. They're at the freaking house. It's 11 o'clock at night, so I said screw it, laid a rag over it, welded it with flux core. The plan was to leave all this polished out stainless. This is actually also stainless. I looked it up. It's just not polished, but you can polish that, but I don't know if I am. Thinking about now taking a header wrap. I have some at the house, and wrapping it from here all the way back to at least here, and then that way you don't see none of this. It's either that or paint it black as the option and just leave the very edge kind of polished, but it's scratched up. I mean, the front tires throwing rocks and stuff is gonna scratch this thing anyway, so it's not like it's a big deal. But overall, I think I'm happy with it. We're about to sit it down, see how it changed the sound. I just figured while it was up in the air, I'd go ahead and show y'all the deal, show how it's run. That's also going to help with our issue, if you recall, with the O2 right there was so close to the end. Now it should honestly idle better, I think, is the issue. So let's set this thing down and see what she sounds like. It is literally 11:20 at night. We do have the door open, but there's like apartments right over there outside an industrial complex. Nothing. Did that to me at the track. I pushed turn it on and started it and turn over. It literally just did it again. What?